now we are coming to the horse farm and we are going to ride on a horse. So this is the best place to do this. Are you ready to ride on a horse? Go, yeah, the horse is there. Are you ready to ride on a horse? Yeah, say thank you for riding. Пока-пока, Игого. Are you ready to go on the quadricycle?
Papa! Baby!
Hurrah! We are ready to go! Hurrah! Look at this cloud. I think it's going to be this thunderstorm. This is an amazing view. Hello guys. It's like climbing park for everyone. The easiest level for kids and the advanced level for adults. Cool. So today we are going home to Moscow. Our summer is finished and I'm really satisfied with this summer because I did many useful things. The more important thing that I did, it was that I passed my driving exams and I will get my driver's license very soon. I'm so excited about it. If you don't know, I bought to myself very fashionable eyeglasses. I did many procedures for my overall well-being and I'm really glad about it. In September, I will have many important events for me and I will show you some of them. I'm really looking forward to go to Moscow to be at home, and thanks for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.